In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a keyword in Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account. After logging in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and campaign, especially if you manage more than one. This is important because adding keywords to the wrong campaign or ad group can affect the wrong ads and budget. When you arrive on the Google Ads dashboard, wait for the overview page to fully load. Giving the page a moment to finish loading helps ensure all navigation options and campaign data are visible and up to date. Next, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. From there, select the campaign where you want to add new keywords. Once you're inside the campaign, click on the specific ad group you want to work with. This part matters because keywords are added at the ad group level, so you want to place them where they are most relevant. Now, from the menu, click Keywords, or if your layout looks different, click Audience, Keywords, and Content. Then choose Search Keywords. This will open your current keyword list so you can see what's already in place before adding anything new. Above the keyword table, click the plus button. Google Ads will then prompt you to choose the correct ad group for the new keywords. Make sure the selected ad group is the one you intended to update. In the text field, enter the keywords you want to add. If you're adding more than one, separate them with commas if needed. As you type, take a moment to review the keywords carefully and make sure they match the theme of the ad group. Keeping your keywords closely related to your ads and landing page helps improve relevance and can support stronger campaign performance. Once everything looks correct, click Save to add the keywords to your campaign. After that, wait a few moments for Google Ads to update the ad group. The change is usually quick, but it's always a good idea to pause briefly before checking the results. Finally, confirm that the new keywords appear in your keyword list. This last check helps you make sure the update was successful and that your keywords were added in the right place. Thanks for watching.